welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, I'm Bella. I have a bit of a cold, but today we are heading to Saint Lucia because we're going to go stay at the Sandals Grande St. Lucia Hotel, and I'm so excited. Let's go meet Brendan at the airport, and hopefully my cold goes away and I get the sniffles. So I just got to my room here in Saint Lucia. This is the Sandals Grande Resort, like I said earlier. This is my room. It is so cute and cozy, and my favorite part so far is the view here. It's so stinking pretty. Morning, you guys. So yesterday we got here and we didn't really do anything. This was dark after sunset. So this morning for sunrise, we're gonna go scope and take some pictures hopefully, and I'll show you guys more of the resort. And then we are doing a hike today, just a short one, so let's go do that. So we're off to do Pigeon Island hike. Yeah, it should be exciting. We have our guide with us and he's in a pirate outfit. I don't know how he's not sweating his butt off right now, but anyways, let's do this.
Came in June. For most of this year, every tree around you was dead.
So we just finished shooting sunset and we had such a good time at the hike, like you just saw. Now we are gonna head to dinner. It was a good sunset, really good. And I got burnt, Bren got burnt.
No, I didn't.
A little. Just my neckline. Oh my god, sports bras. Anyways. Hello. Guys, it is day 2 here, and today we are going on a boat cruise. So let's go have some breakfast, meet Brennan, and go on this boat cruise. It should be so fun. We're going to the Pitons today, and we're gonna go scuba diving. We're gonna go snorkeling near the Pitons, and we're on the cruise all day, so I'm so excited. So let's go. Is our boat ride so far today. We just saw that waterfall, and now we are finally going diving, so that's gonna be fun. I put on my long sleeve bathing suit so I don't burn anymore. Brad, how do you like the day so far?
I think it's been good. Had a bad bath. My skin feels all refreshed and getting ready for that ocean. Yeah, check out this picture right here, Bren, with his mud bath thing going on. I felt sick, so I didn't do it, but anyways, yeah. Take this picture in memory of Bren. So we just got back from our tour. It literally got rained out and the road was flooding that you just saw. So me and Jen decided to come to the pool before we go to our spa. She's getting a massage and I'm getting a facial.
so I just finished my facial. Oh my god, that's so zoomed in on my face. My skin feels amazing. So now we're off to shoot sunset. So that was our last day yesterday. It was so fun. Too bad our tour got canceled because of the rain, but I did get a facial and my skin does feel and look amazing today. So there was no sunrise. It's very rainy again today, but we'll go have some crepes for breakfast and then we head to the airport. I don't get home until 12 at night. Alrighty, so that is the end of our Saint Lucia trip. It was a long ways to get home.
Yeah.
2 days, because our plane last night, there was a quote-unquote wind. Well, there was wind. There wasn't quote-unquote. There was wind, so we had to fly to Hamilton, and then we had to fly from Hamilton to Toronto, and then we had to stay in Toronto overnight, and then fly to Vancouver this morning. But right now, me and Brett need some food, so yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.